If you love crispy chicken and gooey cheese pulls, you're about to fall in love. Today, we're making the juiciest and flaming bourbon-glazed spatchcock chicken paired with a cheesy garlic pull-apart bread, and it's going to rock your taste buds. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Alright guys, now it's time to spatchcock and season. Now when we're speaking about spatchcock, it simply means to butterfly, right? So we have removed the backbone, flattened the chest, removing anything that don't belong, and then we're going to give this some nice rinse, right? So first there we went with pure water, followed up now with lemon, and we're washing the skin to ensure that we remove any impurities to get our chicken nice, clean, flavorful, and ready to be seasoned. For the seasonings, we're using a combination of rotisserie chicken seasoning, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic, onion powder, as well. Full recipe will be linked down below. Giving this a good mix. Alright guys, and guess what? It's time to ensure that we pat dry this chicken because we need it to be flavorful. Alright, it is nice and clean, and there we are sprinkling, adding a little oil there because what the oil does is to help our seasoning to activate, right? Alright, and there we are, easy spreading there as well, and we're just adding it all over. Now we have to season generously, right? And you lift each little corners, all the crevices. You try to get the seasoning in there as well. Just add in a little olive oil there for moisture, right? To ensure that our chicken is nice and flavorful, guys. And yes, it's time to relax. And in the bowl it went. Alright, just sprinkling also with some additional rotisserie chicken seasoning. Now this is ideal to let it marinate for 2 hours or even overnight, right? So it can be nice and flavorful. Alright, and it's time for it to hit that sheet pan, and we're covering the tip of the wings because we don't want them to burn. Now while that is in the oven, guys, doing its thing, we are preparing our garlic for our delicious garlic cheesy pull bread. Oh my goodness. And also that flaming bourbon sauce that is coming up. Alright, and just like that, our garlic is ready. Now after 25 minutes uncovered at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, this is what the chicken is looking like. And next we have started on our bourbon glaze because we'll need this glaze to coat the chicken a few times throughout the cooking process, every 25 minutes slot thereabout. Alright, so after sauteing that garlic into the butter, we have added some soy sauce, giving it a good whisk, guys, a little sugar there as well, and some honey. Alright, take this to a simmer, and then guess what? It's about to be blazing time. So we have added the bourbon, and now we're lighting it up, right? And there we are, the flames, and we'll just allow this to burn off, guys, until the flame has died down, right? Alright, that is what we're looking like. We'll now reduce to simmer there as well because we want our sauce to thicken up just a bit. Now while our sauce is going, guess what? Oh yeah, we are working on our ultimate cheesy garlic pull apart bread, right? And these are just the highlights of the ingredients that we will use. Alright, full recipe will be down below in the description. Alright, and it's now time to get things cracking. So what we have added there is 2 tablespoons of salted butter melted. We are going in with the fresh parsley, garlic there as well, followed up with that crushed pepper. And when I tell you that crushed pepper, guys, gave this bread the perfect kick, oh my goodness, the perfect fiery kick came just from those crushed pepper flakes. It was so delicious when you take a bite with the cheese, the bread, and the little spicy kick. Alright, After combining that, guys, it's now time to make some crisscross cut into our baguette. Right now, using a serrated knife is perfect for this, so that we can slice through with ease and efficiency. All right, and as you see, we're filling the pockets there with that delicious mixture of the garlic, the parsley, the butter, and those spices. Up next is the cheese, and what we're doing here is just to add a little olive oil to our cheese. We're using mozzarella and also cheddar cheese. Now, a little hack here is adding 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Keeps the cheese stretchy without it getting greasy, right? All right, and now we're stuffing there in the deep inside those pockets, all the crevices. And look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, a masterpiece. Cover, and to the baking sheet they go for the oven. Now it's time for us to coat our chicken with that beautiful bourbon glaze. All right, and this is our first coating. We'll coat quite a few times until doneness. Remember, chicken is cooked at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and by the time you know it, this meal will be ready. Cause to spatchcock the chicken or butterfly, what it does, it reduces the cooking time significantly and allows the whole bird to be cooked in different ways, speedier ways as well. All right, just replacing back our foil paper there because we don't want the tip of our wings to be burnt. Never that. All right, and to the oven we go. And while in the oven, guys, after 15 minutes, this is what the cheesy bread is looking like. Now we are going to add some additional cheese and put it back in for 5 minutes to add some more moisture, gooiness, and cheesiness. All right, and look at that, guys. Oh yeah, our chicken is cooked. It did hit past 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Checking multiple places as well because we want to ensure that it is fully cooked. And yes, you guessed it right, it's time to bring everything together. So that cheesy garlic pull apart bread is soft on the inside, crispy on the edges. Oh my goodness, topping there with some extra Parmesan cheese. Just look at that caramelized bourbon glaze, sticky, shiny, and full of flavor, I tell you. Finishing up there with some fresh parsley for garnishing. And look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, this is hands down one of the best combos I've made. If you agree, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more recipes where flavor meets a flair. And just like that, dinner is served, and baby, she did not come to play. We've got this golden bourbon glazed spatchcock chicken, sticky, juicy, with that perfect crisp skin. The glaze has caramelized beautifully, and just look at that color. Hello, flavor. Do you see that? That's juicy on another level. You get the sweet warmth of the bourbon and the richness of the butter and that slight kick from the spices. Absolutely mouth-watering. And then boom, this cheesy garlic pull apart bread. This right here is illegal levels of comfort. Garlic butter dripping through every crisscross, cheese melting in every pocket. It's buttery, it's stretchy, it's perfect. That garlic hits, then the cheese just wraps your soul in a warm hug. That chicken is juicy, tender, sweet, smoky, buttery, and that bourbon sauce? It's not just a glaze, it's a love letter to your taste buds. This right here is what Teika's Kitchen is all about. Flavors that pull you in, textures that make you melt, and recipes that feel like a celebration. Try this combo and tell me it's not a whole mood. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tag me if you make it because I need to see your version. Until next time, stay flavorful, stay fabulous, love you all, and enjoy.